If you want to stop recurring subscriptions in the user app, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you navigate the app and cancel any unwanted subscriptions. Step 1. Open the user app. Launch the user app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access the menu. Once logged in, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left or right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the navigation options. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In the menu, look for Account Settings or Manage Accounts. Select this option to access your account management features. Step 4. Find Subscriptions. Within the account settings, search for a section labeled Subscriptions or Recurring Payments. Tap on it to view all active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Select the subscription you wish to cancel. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure the subscription has been successfully stopped. By following these steps, you can easily manage and cancel any recurring subscriptions in the user app. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to user customer support for assistance.